This session of B2Wise was very creative. It was very inclusive. It was a hands-on, a very simple way of teaching people how things work. My name is Ajay Gulati. I'm a functional consultant at HSO Canada, based in Toronto. I have worked in planning and operations side for many years. I've been a planner for many years, and I understand the importance of planning and good planning and having optimized inventory. This session of B2Wise was very creative. It was very inclusive. It was a hands-on, a very simple way of teaching people how things work when they use this technology and how much it can help optimize their inventory and production planning. DDMRP is a very good concept. I think MRP, we all know, MRP has been around for many years, but the complex environment that creates complex requirements and puts the supply chains under stress. This DDMRP is basically a tool that involves the changing variables of demand and brings your supply chain into alignment, and it does a great job.
Stop managing